The shipment route through the Suez Canal is showing a slight delay.
Reroute it south around the Cape. Minimize disruption.
This mega factory processes tons of raw plastic pellets every day, moving them through an intricate network of pneumatic tubes. The process begins as millions of these small cylindrical pellets are rushed through transparent tubes towards the high-temperature extrusion machines.
These tiny plastic pellets are heated to extreme temperatures, transforming into a thick, molten polymer. The automated transfer tunnel ensures a steady flow of handles to the next stage, the bristle planting zone.
Inside this mega factory, millions of colorful bristle filaments are stored, stacked floor to ceiling. Once molded, the handles are rapidly cooled by industrial fans to set the plastic.
The machine precisely compresses the rubber, creating the ergonomic grip pattern you see here.
Here at the end rounding station, high-speed abrasives polish the bristles to ensure a perfectly smooth finish. The heads now enter the UV sterilization tunnel, a critical step that ensures every brush is completely sanitized before packaging.
The head-to-handle assembly line operates at blistering speed, seamlessly joining components in a continuous automated movement.
The alignment sensor was briefly out of calibration. I've reset the parameters.
Status is green. We are good to continue the run.
The scanners check for alignment, uniformity, and color, guaranteeing a flawless product before packaging.
The brushes are carefully inspected under cinematic lighting to ensure flawless quality before packaging.
Here in the testing zone, we ensure quality by checking the tensile strength of every bristle batch.
Here in the joint reinforcement area, the handle and head are heat fused. This induction process creates a perfectly seamless attachment.
In the UV curing tunnel, powerful ultraviolet light instantly dries and hardens the
Rows of toothbrushes slide across this counting conveyor, where laser beams tally each unit at incredible speed. Based on the SKU, these mechanical diverter arms ensure that every toothbrush reaches the correct packaging lane with pinpoint precision.
The Delta robotic pickers lift the newly molded toothbrushes and place them precisely into the open blister packs moving along the conveyor. The hydraulic arms move with synchronized precision, pressing the clear plastic covers onto the blister trays.
A macro view reveals the precision heaters at work, cleanly sealing the edges of the blister packs at high speed.
To ensure quality, the high-speed vision inspection camera meticulously scans every toothbrush for alignment and print clarity. This is the high-speed loading line, where the blister packs are quickly inserted into the branded cartons by synchronized robotic arms.
The robotic arm spins the plastic wrap, securing the boxes tightly for their journey. This massive warehouse holds millions of toothbrushes ready for shipment.
We need to reroute the Atlantic shipment immediately.
The weather front should clear by Tuesday. Let's hold for now.
From this facility, the largest of its kind, the finished products begin their journey across the globe.
The synchronized precision of these robotic arms ensures that every toothbrush is built to the highest standard.
In the battery placement unit, robotic arms work with incredible speed, inserting the power source into each toothbrush body.
Here on the microfabrication line, ultra-precise cutting tools spin rapidly, shaping thousands of electric toothbrush heads per hour.
The automated arm precisely inserts the tiny oscillation gears, the heart of the electric toothbrush.
Next, the toothbrush heads enter the polishing stage, where high-speed wheels ensure a perfectly smooth finish. The trimming system uses razor-sharp microblades to shear the bristles, guaranteeing uniformity across every brush head.
Running at full speed, the rig simulates years of wear, guaranteeing the stability of every motor.
In the charging dock assembly area, synchronized robotic arms install the copper coils and charging pins at incredible speed.
Quality inspection shows. Advanced cameras carelessly scan for microscopic defects in the bristles, casings, and
To guarantee quality, the bristles are subjected to rigorous pull tests, ensuring they remain firmly embedded.
Deep inside the mega factory, these high-speed conveyors transport thousands of brushes every minute, ensuring perfect alignment.
The fully automated process utilizes advanced robotic palletizers capable of stacking thousands of cartons an hour with pinpoint accuracy.
The machine rotates the pallet, ensuring every box is securely wrapped before being sent out for distribution.
Easy, easy. Bring it left just a touch. All right, set it down.
The shipment route through the Suez Canal is showing a slight delay.
Reroute it south around the Cape. Minimize disruption.
This massive solar array provides clean energy for the production lines below.